We're going to cut a tire off with simple tools without damaging the rim. First, we need to break the bead. The easiest way I know is to use a hole saw. Put it as close to the bead as we can safely get to the rim. We don't want to get anywhere near the valve stem, so we'll go here. A corded drill works better than a cordless. I'm going to pierce the tire right here where there's not any metal. There's metal here and over here. You can see we cut all the way through, but we didn't cut into the metal here, here, or here. Flip the tire over, and I'll cut this side. We've got to cut on both sides. We'll break the bead with a hitch and a jack. I'll crank the jack down and break the bead. I've got it pretty close to where the bead's going to break. Lift up the jack, put it over here, and then push it down again to break the bead a little more. Spin the rim around a little bit. I'll place the jack back in and crank it down again. I can feel the bead really starting to loosen up now. I'll take my foot and I can really start to come off now. I'll remove the jack. I'll turn the wheel around. Do the exact same thing to the other side. Now I'll step on it and break the bead all the way across. We'll cut it off the rim now. Now there's metal in this bead here, so we're going to use these bolt cutters to cut it. We'll use wooden shims to pull the tire away from the rim a little easier to get better access. I'll use 2 shims, one on either side of the cut. You can see we have some distance away from the rim. We'll put our bolt cutters in, and we'll go ahead and make our cut. With a smaller pair of cutters, we can cut off the last coils. Okay, so now we're through. On the other side, it's a lot easier to cut. You can see all the gap that we have. That makes it a lot easier. Push the cutters as deep as they'll go. We'll go ahead and cut. May take a couple hits. These are not very sharp clippers. There we go. We'll pull it forward, then massage it off the rim. I'll use a screwdriver or a pry bar, or just pull it. That's how I cut a tire off of a rim without damaging the rim.